Hello dear friends, welcome again to Atlas eForex. This is your technical analysis online today, Tuesday, January the 19th, 2010 at 0805 hours GMT. Yesterday we initiated the analysis of the dollar-Swiss pair. This is your today's update. As you can see on the chart, we left the dollar-Swiss pair yesterday around 14:45 GMT, and we have predicted the support levels 1, 2, and this area, which is a strong support since already the dollar-Swiss created the basis here in previous days. Let us see how the price has developed since our last video clip. As you can see, the prices actually found support on the first support level we have indicated last night, and since at this particular moment we are on real time, you can see the move of the pair towards upward. So we will try to evaluate further support and resistance levels in this process. Let's first define the resistance levels. Of course, we should have one up here. Definitely there are some on the way to the top, not this one. And a support level that could be generated from this part here. That's it. Now, this is the situation as it stands right now, live. To have a better idea of what the dollar-Swiss may develop in the very near future, we should go to a larger time scale chart. I selected the 60 minutes. Let's watch how the dollar-Swiss is presented on the 60 minutes chart. We can detect a trend line that initiates from the 23rd of December at 09. Do you remember on the yesterday Euro USD chart where we found a corresponding trend line from the lower part starting the 22nd of December? Eventually there is a correlation between those two. So we have detected this trend line which kept the move of the dollar-Swiss below its delimitation. Let's take now the channel. Better here. And let's create also another one here. So at this point we can see on a larger scale, time frame scale, the eventual movement of the dollar-Swiss. We can have support and resistance levels of larger time frame. Let's try to identify some of them. definitely the one coming all the way from the top. Let us also try to detect whether the movement of the dollar Swiss until now obeyed to a Fibonacci scale. So on this base, we will be able to predict further, better movement of the dollar Swiss in the future. Well, yes. There is also here the same example as the one we have seen again yesterday on the Euro USD, where a drop was concentrated on the 2618 level of Fibonacci, as the arrow indicates. And then we have said that it was possible to find a rebound of the downward move to Fibonacci levels like 078 and 0618. Let's apply exactly the same technique we did with the Euro USD yesterday, and try to measure whether there is a possibility to find levels where we can expect coincidences. Well, here we are. We have one at 3230 level of Fibonacci, which coincides with the beginning of the Fibonacci scale counting the downward movement. And we have the exhaustion of the eventual upward move at 425 Fibonacci level, which coincides more or less with a 0382 Fibonacci level of the downward movement. So let's go back now to our previous. Here it is. This is the line, the trend line that started from the 23rd of December and was coming down. So in this area, we are expecting to find a strong resistance point. This is for today concerning the Euro Swiss pair. We will revert on that tomorrow morning with a new forecast for its development. In the meantime, please remember again, successful trading is your responsibility.